Hello, I'm Pushkar and I am discussing Chemistry Advanced 2021 paper. It's paper 1 and this question is question number 14, which is from thermodynamics. So in this question there are two processes, one from stage 1 to 2 and followed by another process from stage 2 to 3. The correct plots have been asked and the first process is isothermal, reversible isothermal expansion, and the second process is reversible adiabatic expansion, reversible isothermal expansion and reversible adiabatic expansions. So what are the characteristics of these two processes? When we talk about the pressure, volume, temperature, entropy and enthalpies of these processes, then for the process 1, the temperature remains constant because it is reversible isothermal expansion, and since it is expansion the pressure decreases, and we talk about the entropy, it increases because volume increases at the same temperature. If we talk about the enthalpy, that remains constant. And if we talk about another parameter, the pressure, volume, etc., temperature, same. Okay. Similarly, if we talk about the second process, the temperature here should decrease because it is reversible adiabatic expansion. Pressure here should also decrease because we are allowing the pressure to become less, and that is why the system is expanding, and that is why the temperature is dropping because gas is doing some work. Entropy is constant in this process because it is an isoentropic process. System's entropy is not changing, and enthalpy is, of course, since temperature is decreasing, enthalpy is also decreasing. So judging by these criteria, if you see the first equation, pressure is decreasing from 1 to 2, volume is increasing, and from 2 to 3, same thing, and the slope of 1 to 2 is less than slope of 2 to 3, and that is the characteristic of adiabatic process. So it's a perfect graph, one for isothermal and followed by reversible adiabatic expansion. So this A option is a correct option. Similarly, if you look at B, in B from 1 to 2, the pressure is decreasing and temperature remains constant. And from 2 to 3, the temperature is decreasing as well as the pressure is decreasing. So as we can see, the temperature pressure both decreases in reversible adiabatic process. So option B is the correct option. If we see the option C, here from 1 to 2, enthalpy is constant and it should be constant, and entropy is increasing. That's very good, that's increasing, so this portion is correct. But going from 2 to 3, if we see that enthalpy is increasing, and in adiabatic process enthalpy, reversible isothermal, reversible adiabatic expansion, enthalpy should decrease. So C option is an incorrect option because of this portion of the graph. And similarly for the D option, we can see from 1 to 2 the temperature is constant and entropy is increasing. Temperature is constant, entropy is increasing. That is the criteria. And from 2 to 3, entropy is constant and temperature is decreasing. So that's also true. So the D option is also perfect option. So the correct answers are A, B and D, and we'll go with these answers. So stay tuned for more such detailed discussions of the questions. Thanks for watching.